We can't wait to fill this venue and make this place rockin'.
E whakamātau ana te kapa Rams I ngā tūkohu o Parakiore.
To get this opportunity to play in a building like this is great. The hub of Christchurch, you could call it, for basketball.
Nō te mutunga wiki I whakanui te Canterbury Rams me te Mainland Pouākai I tō rātou neke whare ki te whare rehia nui rawa atu o Ōtautahi mā tētahi rā mo te hapori. Ko tā te kaiārai kuru a Mana Martin, ka ngā kaunui ngā kaitautoko ki te kōti hou me ngā tūru e 2,500.
We trained mostly at various different high schools and at Cowles. Second year was based mostly at Christ College.
We're really grateful for all those high school gyms that we've used, but to have a high performance facility like this, change was so necessary. We've been at Cowles Stadium, a historic venue. The Rams have been playing there since 1982.
He ono pūtū rima inihi te roa o Martin no Ngāti Maniapoto, a koinei tōna tautua toru me te karapu. Kua puta ia I te kura tuarua ina nei, a e whai ana ia I tētahi karahipi kaipara ki tētahi kareti.
First off, get this Rams season, hopefully get a championship. You know, I'll watch this organisation. I was actually considering moving to Nelson when I was younger for basketball. But Judd Flavell, the head coach at the time, gave me a ring, and that's when I started training with the Rams and working with the Rams.
Kua nohoa Caleb Harrison hei kai whakahaere o te karapu mō ngā toa e rua o ngā toa o Aotearoa e ono. Hei tāna, he maha ngā heinga mō ngā kaitākaro rangatahi.
The team's making great use of it. We've moved all of our trainings here. The team uses the pools for the recovery. We train out of High Performance Sport New Zealand and do our strength conditioning there. And not only that, whenever our players practice, we have a whole line of children watching through the glass in between their swimming lessons. They've come for a swimming lesson and then they stick around and watch the Rams practice.
I've developed so much playing against older guys, getting to develop against some of the best players in the country, getting to go against grown men. It gives me an advantage over other players my age. Truly a big pivotal part of my development.
A te tekau mā iwa o Aperira, ka tū te kēmu Inter NBL tuatahi ki konei ki te Wellington Saints. A te hūrai, ka hoki mai te whakataetai āmotu mō ngā kura tuarua ki Ōtautahi, ka tū ki Parakiore. Porakairani Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.